for me, let them know I'm building the wall. Ducking that low.
What up, y'all boys? We back with another video, man. We is not outside today. We inside. So I got all these clothes on just to stay inside. You feel me? I wish I could leave, but my mom said no.
Bro, I'm really about to get your pickle chin now, boy.
So I had to take all this stuff off. But nah, I will be going to a car meet / event today. They will be sliding, so I'm gonna get y'all some little, you feel me, some little, and I might get on top of the car and do some hot girl shit. Y'all never know, bro. Y'all never know. But nah, I will be going to the event. It's later at 9:30 tonight. Right now, I'm about to go see my girl real quick. She will be coming with me too. And yeah, make sure y'all like, comment, hit that bell. And I'm gonna pick up the camera again once we at the meet / event. On bro! Is it good?
Yeah, you could kind of see.
All right, boys, we just made it to the car meet, or the meetup spot. We still got more spots to go to, or another spot to go to. Yeah. What up? I don't even know that nigga. I don't even know if the light is
Hi
good.
guys, it is
That's
very.
It's good. All right. Hey, did I press record? Okay, I
You
did.
did not press record. Guys.
I didn't press record on the
I
last
was
clip.
the center of that video.
And I missed my car, bro. Y'all see the big caddy waddy. 392, bro. This is so hard, bro. It don't even make no sense. This SRTA right here, another charger. This is hard, bro. Oh my God, there's mad people, bro. Look at this cat, dude. We got a cat on a motorcycle and a cat on a motorcycle. There's mad people here. Oh my God, I can't believe I wasn't recording.
I know.
I look stupid.
I told you. I said, babe, you not recording. I said, are you recording? And you said yes.
Oh my God.
You should have seen
I'm gonna
it.
pick up the-
We just
Oh,
went
yeah.
over there and
We
he
deep
wasn't
in here.
recording.
I don't
We
even
going
get to
crazy. We going crazy right now. We
It's
finna
gonna
get ready to
feel.
slide off. What time is it?
I got.
All right, look, what time is it right now?
It's 9:50.
All right, look, we got 10 more minutes till we slide out to the first level. Niggas know what's going on. We out here.
We out the window with it, nigga. Girl. Yeah. So I ain't gonna lie, we lit right now, dude. It's some mad shit out here.
Real fat shit.
Man. Got the whole block jumping, dude. The whole street jumping, boy.
Hi guys.
Oh, weird. I know. I'm thinking he off
Yeah.
Shout out my boy Ice sipping on Twitch for all that for us. Things like that. That good old fashioned Fortnite content.
Oh yeah.
Shout out to me. You know, just that
Shout
girl.
out to my little sister.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Now we're waiting to get to the next location. We gotta move locations again. We was just here, but we just chilling for now.
Yep.
Weak ass cars.
So, look, we finna get out here. We finna get some spin action. I'm ready to, you know what I'm
Some
saying?
good spin action. Not no lame.
Niggas know what's going on. You feel me?
don't even know what to say, nor do.
We're real excited, guys. I'm so excited. Shout out to my brother.
Yeah, I'm in here with
Yeah,
the juice, that good old pineapple, you know what I'm saying? Good stuff.
Bro.
We finna have some fun.
Man.
I know, don't do drugs.
No, yeah, don't do drugs,
Don't do
kids.
drugs.
No drugs.
Only cocaine.
Yeah.
We're
just sponsored. We're not monetized. We're not monetized.
We're not.
Look at that car, it's 22. That's Boogie. That's Boo.
That's a nice one.
That's Boogie in there.
It's a nice one.
Yeah, Boogie and that.
God, bro.
What's up?
Some mad cars on it.
What's how it's work, man?
Clean little Beamer over here.
We out here, you know what I'm saying? On YouTube. Got niggas out here, we got that.
Oh, I can sit it up.
You can too.
I don't know, low folks got it.
Wait.
Where low folks go? You want to be back and stuff?
Oh, look. It's sitting on top of the car, y'all. You gotta get on this side. Well, no, you can't.
You want me to? Babe, my
Get on
booty
top of the
stuck.
car, just.
My booty stuck. My booty stuck, babe. Cut that out.
I'm not cutting that out.
Cut that out.
You think I'm gonna cut it out? Bro, I don't know what to do, bro. I'm having mad fun, bro. We lit, bro. Oh my god. This is mad car though. Stupid.
Hi.
Can't see you for sure. Gotta jump, it's crazy.
Hi, guys.
Oh
I'm
my
his
God.
girlfriend.
Don't pull me down and make my ass feel.
Huh.
You hold me?
Yeah. Hi, guys. We having so much fun,
Man,
right?
you lit. You lit, dude. I ain't gonna lie, I'm probably gonna cut this clip short because we just chilling. We just sitting here. Everybody gotta take a little pee break real quick. So yeah, we just chilling. But I'm gonna pick the camera back up once we have to meet again. Alright man, we just at the next spot. It's lit. Like there's mad people outside. Good, babe? Come on. Come on. Bro, it's mad people outside, bro. Alright, bro, I'm gonna throw this motherfucking phone at y'all. Huh? Alright, y'all boys, we have to go to another location, bro. It's keep getting shut down. The boys keep popping up, this and that. I hope I run out of stories.
Guys, we had to switch locations again. Because the cops found us again.
It's like the third location.
I know, right?
I gotta grab something to bite on, bro. My head hurt, all that tire smoke going in my face.
And I got my Apple Pay.
Go grab it real quick. Excuse me. I don't even know what I want, bro. My head yard, bro. It's lit, bro. It's lit. I can say this is the most fun I'm having, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Spinning out all that. I'm trying to find something to bite on. Look at this hungry. I ain't gonna let this bitch slapping. Slight slapping. Everybody that just came from the last one. Yeah,
Nobody wants to see a little glass.
that brace is ugly as shit. Wait, what color do you got?
I got green.
That shit hard. I ain't gonna lie. I'm trying to find something to eat, bro. Stomach hurt. I don't know what I
My
want.
back pocket the whole time. I went out there, then I felt my back pocket. And then it's like, I don't know, it was already too much weight back there, so I didn't know something was back there.
I don't even know what I want to.
Oh, these skinny, way too expensive. I ain't got money, I don't worry. They want to sit down,
Tripping. Would you get something good? Should I get some donuts? Nah, cause I just watched that movie that you had me watch with the
when she
when
poisoned
she put
them.
yeah, she put the poison in the powdered donuts.
She
I'm
killed
not
her
touching
twins,
it.
yeah. It was a mom that did it.
Bro?
Yeah.
Like, yeah, that's what the
Yeah,
granny
she-
said
yeah.
on the stairs. I was watching
She
that.
did it because she was living a good life without her kids. Because they already didn't know they existed, and so she killed them all.
Shit, man, look at easy. You gonna eat something if I get this?
Nah, but get
I don't know what I want. That's the thing. You got the certified spinner right here. She's too certified. Too certified.
Fuck you talking about, big.
Oh my god. Say it one more time. One more time.
Certified spinner, bitch. Fuck you talking about?
You heard it. Y'all heard it. I'm really just walking around. I don't know what I want. What are you talking about?
Certified spinner, bitch.
Hey, we just not be playing. She be locked in. Yeah, I don't know what I want. I know.
Yes, I have cash.
I already in the car.
Yes, I have whatever.
But no, I'm finna find something here real quick, and I'm gonna pick the camera back up once we back at the next location. Alright, y'all boys, we at the next spot, man. It's slapping, as y'all can see. Mad people here, mad people She got a little attitude, but we still gonna have a good night no matter what. Yeah, it's recording. I told you. It's ready. Tonight has been a night. Who? Who is Lisi? Who? Who's that? Lisi. Lisi. Oh. Hey, he wants you. His phone.
What are you watching in the car? What are you watching?
I don't know which pocket it's in.
Hey, it's in that pocket. It's in that pocket. It's in that pocket. Like, them posed to something dangerous. Somebody smack one of them. Oh, fuck! You gonna go over there and walk the fence a little bit? I'm scared of this.
I'm smacking the pole.
That's what I'm scared of too, but that's them. It's not like we doing it.
I like the shit on film.
They'll be alright. I mean, they'll be alright. I mean, we'll be alright. They won't. They shouldn't smack like that. I know. Yeah, I'm vlogging, yeah.
Let me take over the vlog.
Hold yourself down, motherfucker. Ain't that what I'm supposed to be doing? Alright, you're recording yourself. That shit just killed me, bro.
Basically just saying she wants you.
That shit just killed me. She can't have me.
I'm getting tired. I'm ready to cut on this.
I'm trying to give somebody a head like to throw it.
Yeah.
Yeah. I need to see somebody spin for real. Are you finna spin it? No, you're not. I hate people, bro. Nobody's spinning. No.
That shit gas.
Yeah, it's gas.
I
Don't
need,
do it.
like-
Don't even do it.
I got like 113 miles right now.
Oh, no, you cool. Say that.
I want you so bad though. I want a video on my phone.
You want a video on your phone? If you do spin, you might have to make this your last one.
Like I need to have a video on my phone, bro. Like no one is sending me shit, and I want it because I spun like 3-4 times.
A few
What
times.
the fuck? Like where is my video? I want my shit. I didn't do that for nothing.
Right.
No.
Man, nobody's spinning.
Yeah, I'm a girl, bitch. What the fuck you got to say about it? Like,
What y'all gonna do about it? Come kill my uncle about it.
yeah, I'm the only fucking girl spinning in this bitch. What? I guarantee it. I guarantee it. I ain't seen one girl spin.
There's mad people here and nobody's
And
spinning.
if you want to talk shit, come talk shit personally.
Period.
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 Because come talk shit to me personally because I'll beat your fucking ass.
You heard her. Y'all heard her.
I will
Period.
literally fucking beat your fucking ass. You have to be in the hospital, bitch, not leave you laying there. What the fuck you talking about? I don't give a fuck. I ain't calling no ambulance. You hear?
Oh, God.
Oh, fuck! Nah, he not for that.
Bro.
Fucking car, bro. Not the Tahoe.
Nope. Not the big Tahoe.
Big bitch. What? Big bitch.
Not the big RT, though.
Big RT gang.
Big
What?
RT gang. RT gang. Bitch up. You're gonna pick it up. Pick it up. Go. Oh my God. Almost came off the ground.
Actually, don't let me. I made him worry. Let me see, babe.
There you go.
I got her.
My daughter. She's from street nigga. Bro, I'm not even saying nothing. I'm trying to get somebody sliding and nobody's sliding. Everybody just sitting there ducked up. All these cars, y'all. All these cars. And nobody's spinning. Nobody at all, bro. This is crazy. This is like the fourth spot we done been to. Last spot, everybody was spinning out all that.
I ain't gonna say that because you're listening. Look, the real J-Lo in the building.
Yeah.
I understand the line.
Yeah.
In a couple of years, y'all gonna hear my name.
Yeah.
Know that.
Bro.
It's big.
Bro.
Yeah.
Hey.
I can't go down my knees.
Oh, I thought he said he got me. He should start
Go down my
twerking.
knees.
Yeah.
I'm
What you just said, bro? I'm sitting there laughing with you. That's not funny.
Throw that booty. Right.
Bro, nobody's spinning. What are y'all scared of?
I got you.
Oh! You're going crazy! There we go. Oh, I thought he was going to hit somebody's car. Golly.
I spin also.
Stop. We are on YouTube.
Huh?
We're on YouTube.
I'm on YouTube?
Yeah.
They can't even see what I just did.
I know.
Exactly. You can just cut it out. How you do it? You be like, and we'll talk to you when we get to the next location.
Wow.
That bitch was a W on my mouth.
You really telling me nobody's going to spin? You want me the camera in?
It's dark. It's dark. My man's so fine. Look at him. You can't even see him. He black as fuck.
Bro, what? Bro, you just disrespected me in like 3 different ways.
He's so fine though. Sorry.
Stop, bro. Yeah, you're fired. You're fired. You're fired. Bro.
It's not my fault.
Babe, no one's spinning.
I know.
We having a family function. Ain't nothing wrong with me.
That's some booty.
Want me to?
Wow.
Hey, bro. Mate.
Bow. Oh.
I'm gonna pick the camera back up when it's in action. Never mind. I'm about to go leave it. No, I'm not. Yes, I am. Are you coming with me? I need somebody to come with me. Right here. Bro, they're not even doing it no more. That's why I hate Mustangs now. Fuck Mustangs. Nobody's spinning. Oh my gooey. You just spent this little weak Mustang, nigga. You know, hit somebody's car playing like that.
You see that nigga back there? He was trying to spin a scooter. You see that nigga?
Looking retarded, probably. This little Mustang, yeah, he keep trying to show off, bro. He's showing out. I ain't gonna lie. But no, whenever some action, yo, I ain't gonna lie. I'm picking the camera back up when they doing something illegal. You hear me? Alright, y'all boys, I'm gonna end this video off. We at the last spot. Nobody really spin this, like we just chilling here. It's like 2 in the morning, so probably everybody finna just shoot home. Hey, yeah. I'm gonna get you on the next one.
Yeah.
Get the fuck on. She in her heart crying, talking about I did her wrong. Man, that shit crazy. I just fucked her once, now she wanna have my baby. Say we really